さくてもいつか大きく響かせるため転んで傷つきまた起き上がれば新しい景色が広がるからスーパーマンになる方法なんて知らないだけどイメージだけはずっと完璧さレディゴー走り続けてレディゴーこのまま行けばきっとたどり着けそうじゃ夢のかけら掴み損ねたってがむしゃらにかき合ってって雨の朝も風も夜も越えてゆくのさもっともっと遠くへ
Konnichiwa guys, video game Brawlers EP here today. We're unboxing package delivery on eBay. This is back at the Bakugan Japanese version here. Alright, let's go open up here. Inside here. Here. And here. And here. Yeah, that is all the boxes here. Take it in here. Die. Oh. And there's bubble wrap. What is that in here? Bubble wrap. Hey. What that is whoa, whoa, wow, oh my gosh, wow, oh my god, here's a Bakugan New Vestroia, Bakugan New Vestroia starter pack, Dankuso, Japanese version. Oh, I got this from eBay, Japanese version. Front here, there's a here, back is here. This is a cool Japanese starter pack, Bakugan New Vestroia. This is for my first time, second time. It's here, cool, awesome. It's cool, awesome. Let's open up here. Oh, that. Oh, starter pack. Oh, wow. There's a cool. Oh, there's a big hearts here. Here's this guy. Pioneer, Neon Dragonoid, Pyro Dragonoid. Oh, yeah. There's Dankuso. There's a guy. Let me just careful, okay? Right. Alright, so here's 3 Bakugans, Dankusos. And it's got inside the booklet. Here, stick a tape right there. Just get here, right over here, right there, open up there. Oh, stuck. There we go. Amazing. Oh, there. Cool. There is our. Here's our website. Cool. Amazing here. And there's our website card. It's cool. Amazing. Here's our rule book. Well, here it is. 3, 2, 1. Here it comes. Ta-da! Wow, it's a cool Japanese Bakugan rulebook. That's cool. That's cool. Amazing. Oh, cool. It's amazing. Oh, and there's our sticker tank. And here it is. Here's the gate cards, the cards there. Oh, here we are. There it is. Oh my gosh. There's a Bakugan. It's paper map. 3, 2, 1. Ta-da! Wow. This is for my first time a Bakugan paper mat game. It's cool. Cool. Amazing. Alright. What's in there? The gate card is 3 gate cards here. Here's our 3 gate. 3 swords here. Glamour gate. And there's rainbow. That's cool. The Prius here. It's inside here. Now, what's in there? Let's see. Let's go. Now, hex back. Burning sands. And bright torch. Cool. This is from Bakugan New Vestroia, Japanese. There's no arcade ability cards here. Bakugan arcade. Oh, alright, okay. Alright. Let's get started. Okay, first is a Neon Dragonoid Japanese version. There's a orange, yellow, red. This is cool. And there's MG here. It's cool. Awesome. Alright, Pirates Neon Dragonoid Japanese version is ready to roll. Ready? Whoa! So, here's our 3 horns, 2 green eyes, head, mouth, 2 yellow hands, 2 feet, 2 nails here, 2 wings there here, and there's what's in the G power is. Get rid of this. That's what. This one's are good. Get rid of stickers. There we go. So here's our 420 Gs. That's cool. Dan Crusoe's here. And there, next up is just a Pirates Apollinaire. It's the same as a orange and red here. There's a MG's cool. Alright, Pirates Apollinaire from 6 Ancient Warriors Japanese version is ready to roll. Ready? Whoa! So here's our orange horns, white hands, is two aqua blue, and mouth here, orange lines, 2 wings, 2 arms, 2 legs here, and once in this G power is. Oh, here's our cool big sticker right off there. There we go. And there it is. Here's our 380 Gs. Cool. That's amazing. Cool. And last but not least is the Pirates Pro Dragonoid. This is MG here. Yellow lines, orange and red here. It's cool. Alright, Pirates Pyro Dragonoid. Pyro Dragonoid, is that right, I guess? Alright, Pyro Dragonoid Japanese version is ready to roll. Here, ready? Oh, it's my fault. Let's try. Alright, let's try closer. Ready? Whoa! So here's our 2 nails here. There's 2 horns, 2 green eyes. His mouth is a yellow 2 wings right here, and tails here, and there is our 340 Gs. That's cool. That's amazing. That's cool. Oh, this is from Dan's Starter Pack, Japanese version. That's cool. That's amazing. Awesome. That's cool. That's great, amazing. Awesome from Dan Crusoe is cool. So this is a Dan's starter pack, Dan Crusoe from Bakugan New Vestroia Japanese version. It's fantastic cool. Alright guys, thanks for watching this video. Click it to watch the video game Brawlers unboxing and Bakugan 2. Don't forget, subscribe to my channel, click it to the bell, click it to the Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, TikTok. Alright guys, thanks for watching everybody. See you next time everybody, bye, and Bakugan Shuto!